Here's the location of the newest fire in Southern California. The Hughes Fire is located about 65 miles north of Los Angeles. Here is some drone footage taken right after the fire started. Note that a zoom was used, and there were no aircraft in the area yet. The Hughes Fire started about 11 a.m. Wednesday, January 22, 2025, near Castaic Lake, just north of Los Angeles. The fire has spread to over 5,000 acres in just a few hours. Mandatory evacuations are in order, as crews rush to the area. Interstate 5, which runs from the Mexican border all the way to the Canadian border, has been closed in the area. The Santa Ana winds blowing from the northeast towards Los Angeles are helping to spread this blaze. Lake Castaic, located near the fire, will be able to provide the much-needed water to put out this newest fire in Southern California.